another video. So I'm gonna be doing a makeup and hair routine. Yo, this is how the wig is looking. Okay, it's not bad, it's really thin, but we're gonna revamp it. This is the shirt I'm wearing. I think I'm not really in the mood to be cute, so it is what it is. So first I'm gonna start with my Cetaphil lotion. Hey y'all, so I'm definitely gonna have a mix between a voiceover and me talking my regular voice, but here I'm using my pore filler. I know it's a lot of makeup on it, but to fill in my pores. Y'all, this makeup came out totally ugly, but it's okay because practice made perfect. Next I have my NYX hydrating primer, and then I'm gonna go on with my foundation in the color 370. Sometimes I use 375 Java to tone it down because it looks a little bright sometimes, but y'all, this makeup came out so ugly. I was not impressed, and I definitely did my eyebrows off camera. And yeah, I really thought I was doing something, but I really wasn't. It looked so like, I just can't explain it. I'm just like giving up on this makeup stuff. I don't know what happened because I've done my makeup before and it's looked fine, but recently it's been looking really dry, and I don't know why. Like, I mean, I don't really have oily skin, but I use that hydrating primer. Maybe I need to use more or something like that. And then y'all, I tried the this new concealer by Elf. No ma'am, that thing dried up so fast. But as you can see, I was trying to make sure it looked all right. I didn't blend it on my neck, none of that. So I wouldn't follow this as a tutorial, but if y'all have any tips on how to get my makeup popping, like a nice dewy look, please comment that down below. But yeah, y'all, so this is me trying to blend out that foundation, and I've tried my hardest to blend out that concealer that I put on. Y'all about to see, it just was not feeling me. Like, it did not want me to win at all. As you can see, it did not want me to win. And this is new, y'all. And what color did that come in? I'll put it down below. I think it's rich chocolate. And then I think for the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, I think that's in Deep Cocoa. I don't know, I'll put it in the description. But it just was not working out for me. If y'all have any tips on what I can do, please comment them down below. And yeah, I did a reverse contour as you can see, but I'm just blending that out with this Dollar Tree beauty blender. And yeah, so just keep on watching. Like I said, please don't be rude, but if y'all have any tips, please help me out in the description. Oh, not description, in the comment section down below. But yeah, y'all, keep on watching. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you here already. And it's just that on that. And I'm gonna try to post new content weekly. I think I should have did the NYX first. Oh no, the NYX is in Cappuccino, but I think I should have did the NYX first and then did the Elf because it's just looking dry. And then I have my Elf liquid liner, Elf mascara, and let's get it. We about to move. Yeah, that wing was messed up, but I didn't care. I never care. So yeah, we about to get started on that wig, y'all. That wig is terrible, but y'all keep on watching. I know this was a lot going on, but oh, y'all almost forgot the black opal setting powder. It's like, the setting powder, do I even need that? Cause it's like it be looking so dry. So the powder's up here. I don't know, I'm watching more tutorials, but y'all just keep on watching. And yeah, it's coming up, but I went for a real natural look. And can y'all see me? So like, don't mind the bed, it's a mess because we're gonna make it up. Boy, I look like a different person. I look crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gonna revamp this. We gonna fix this up. Okay, what I need, some clips. So as I'm doing this, I think I should give y'all a review on this hair, because I've had this hair for like, I think over a month now. So when I first got this hair, I noticed it was kind of dry or whatever, but you know, I still try to give it the benefit of the doubt because, you know what I'm saying, I never had 613 hair before. This hair had a track coming off for one, okay? And I'm just looking like, really? A whole track? And then they was talking about they was gonna give me my money back, talking about some, give them good review. They give me new wig or something. I knew they was lying, they did it, and I wasn't giving them no good review because what was good? Nothing. So boom. Oh, y'all using some gossipy this time. So I'm just like, really? You know what I'm saying? Really? So the wig, I watercolored it. And if y'all want to see clips of that, it's in the video when I first installed this wig. It's a video when I first installed this wig of how it took the color. It kind of didn't take it that well, but I guess it kind of did because you can see it's gray. But honestly, y'all, this hair is trash. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. Look at this. This hair, I don't think it looked straight right here, but no, it's really dry. And when it came, y'all, look at this. Not the bang gang. Okay, it came with freaking bangs in it. Like, I have no clue. Don't order this hair from Uneely Hair because it is completely trash. Okay? Like, it truly is trash. And I'm just not even smelling it. But, anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush to dust off the powder. It's been baking on my face for a little minute now. What's BR? Oh, Black Radiance. Long lasting setting spray and just, whoa! Ooh! Definitely gotta fix this eyelash. So for one, y'all, the shedding in this hair is so bad. And as you can see, the dye didn't hit certain spots. So it still looks, it has some streaks of blonde in it. But okay, the color, that's beside the point. Whatever, the color didn't come out right. But as you can see, the shedding in this hair is ridiculous. Like, it sheds so much. It was a waste of money. I could have got this from a different hair company. Then y'all, I thought I bought a 13x6, right? I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stay away from the 13x4s, which you can't now because of the shortage of wigs coming from, you know, China. Here, pick up some salmon and Another can of black beans. I have not straightened or touched his hair. It just looked good because I brushed out the knots and stuff. Because it be knotting up too. That's another thing. So basically, the shipping was fine with this hair. I don't think it took that long. You know, with Corona and everything, it's been taking like, you know, the whole 7 days. You know what I'm saying? Instead of 3 to 7, it's like 5 to 7, but it's really 7, you know. So, other than that and the bayang, because, hold on. No, I didn't cut that piece. It's really right here. Oh, now I don't want to come out. Basically, y'all, it was cut right there, and I don't know how. I don't think I'm gonna do straight. I think I'm gonna bump it, but I gotta straighten it out first because it's nappy. And it's not because of me, because I really didn't put no heat on the hair after. I mean, I blow dried it barely. Like, once I seen that it was dry, I stopped blow drying it because I was like, I'm not gonna over process this hair or whatever. So I was like, you know, I'm not gonna keep doing it. But nah, y'all, like right now, I'm not even gonna blow dry. I'm not even gonna flat iron that part. I'm just gonna go in with the curler. But you see, like, it's an awkward length. This is only 18 inches and I'm 5'7", so it looks better, you know, bumped or whatever. But I mean, it was pre-plucked. It really didn't require, you know, it really didn't require like plucking. You know, 613 don't require bleaching either. Why is it not sticking right there? You know, it don't require bleaching or anything like that. So, and it was watercolor anyway, so I don't understand. Like, it was just already dry, and I tried to tone it with Shimmer Light shampoo. Bro, this eyelash does not want to work out for me. And that didn't work either, y'all. But other than that, I'm not gonna say this hair good. I mean, I wouldn't waste your money on it. And I'm thinking this is a good hair company because I be seeing people with their hair. Nah, this is not no good hair company at all. But yeah, that's just my little rant on this hair. So I guess just finish watching to see the final product. As you can see, the makeup already done. It's really you just sitting here to see the hair. So I guess I'll put everything in fast forward motion, whatever it's called, fast forward. But I mean, look, well, it don't look as bad when I straightened it, but it's still like the edge is like terrible. I'm not even gonna cap it, y'all. Like, I'm not liking the way this frontal is laying. It needs to be washed. That makeup is like not doing well. So I'm gonna put this headband on from Michelle Lux. And I'm gonna have to do that because this side is lifting and I'm not really trying to glue this all the way down. I really just did this because I'm going somewhere and I wanted to give y'all a quick update on this wig, which is trash, but we know that already. And you guys can't really tell really too much on camera, but this hair is getting dry and the top part is looking really bad. So, hold on. I can see this is what the hair and makeup is looking like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's really not even that much of a tutorial because I'm not even no makeup connoisseur, no MUA. But if y'all want to leave me some tips down below, I would like that. And that's on period. But yeah, it's gonna come there.